If you want to publish a chart to your own website, then you can use the publish chart feature and then use the embed code. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and type in some data right here. So I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to say something like China, and then I'm going to say India, and then I'm going to say Pakistan right here, and I'm going to say Singapore, just like this. So once I do that, I'm just going to throw in some random number right here, just like this, and then there you go. All right. So I'm going to generate a chart. I'm going to go around into data, not in data, but I'm going to go to insert chart, and there you go. There I have a chart right here. Maybe I want a pie chart just like this. So let's say I want to publish this onto my own web page. I can go around and then go on to this option right here, and then I can go to publish chart. And once I do that, you can see embed is an option. You can also make it interactive right here, as you can see, and then you can just embed the data right here. So once you do that, you can click on publish right here and you can press OK. And what that does is it allows you to copy and paste this iframe content right here. So just copy that out. And on your web page, what you can do is you can just go around, and here I have an HTML editor for preview. So I'm just going to paste this. And here you can see that you see the data right here, just like this. So you can see the data being published out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see this. So this is the iframe, and you are able to see that data right here. And similarly, you can embed this onto your personal web page as well. You can also stop publishing right here. And if you stop publishing, then it won't be published anymore. So let me just refresh out this page right here. Paste this out, and it says we are sorry, the document is not published, but you stop publishing right here, not the entire document, but only the data right here. So I'm just going to say data, start publishing, press OK. So this is what you have. So now if I were to refresh this out right here and paste that out, you can see that the data is there. Just that data is here, as you can see. And that is how you can publish the content from Google Sheet to the web that is in your own website. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.